So welcome to my Apify review, and in this Apify review I will discuss all about Apify software, how it works and how you can make money using this Apify software, and all about my exclusive bonuses and vendor semi-exclusive bonuses. So this Apify software is going to launch at 28th September at 11 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus network by Amit Gaikwad and Onurudh Bhabra. So this is very awesome software. So let's start the review. So Apify is the next generation software that allows you to create and sell ready-made apps. Yes, it allows you to create and sell ready-made profitable next generation mobile apps for iOS and Android without knowing any coding or developing skills. Yes, and there are two direct ways to make money using this Apify software. You can make money using the Apify software. You can make money with this, and these are my special income ways. Please keep watching to know this. I will show you how you can make money on Fiverr and Upwork using this Apify software. So keep watching. So before starting, just imagine if in minutes if you can get access to this platform that gives you a chance to create your high converting app from scratch or an existing web pages. I will show you the demo how it works, don't worry. And let's you select templates from 500 plus stunning choices. Yes, it has 500 plus template, you will know later, and gives you absolute control and power, because now you can do everything with just a click of a button and no expertise. And it creates traffic magnetic web pages for you and sets no restriction of the number of apps you can create. You can create unlimited apps using this Apify software, and it helps you instantly publish them on iOS and Android. You don't need any approval hassle. You can publish on iOS and Android instantly after creating in just one click. So this is very fantastic, and you can do this just in 3 clicks. I am going to show you now. Just you need to log in, then personalize the apps as per your needs, and this is drag and drop editor, and you can instantly publish your app on iOS and Android in just one click. And the most important part is how we know that Apify can create stunning apps, unlimited stunning apps, and you can publish it instantly on iOS and Android store. But how you can make money with this Apify software? So the most important part is how you can make huge profits with the help of Apify software without knowing any coding or developing skills. Yes, this is possible. So let's go to the dashboard. This is the Apify members area dashboard. You need to log in after purchasing to log in into this dashboard. See, you can see create app option. Under this you will get tons of stunning templates. This is very absolutely gorgeous templates you can create app from, and here are some categories. This is the landing page categories. These are landing page category. Then blog categories, you can select any of the categories, and the portfolio categories. You will get tons of portfolio app from Fiverr and Upwork. I am discuss this later. So this is the portfolio. So I am going all categories. Let's select one, or you can create with blank page also. So these are the templates. So first you need to click create app button, then select your template. Like for example, I am selecting this template. Then you need to name your app, like example, boot slender test. I am just naming it as example, then create press the button, click, it will create the app. Just wait for a while. See, the app is creating and our drag and drop editor will appear. We can edit it on our way. See, just wait for a while, it will appear. So before appear, we can see what you can do with Apify. You can select 500 plus unique and attractive templates from across hot selling niche. Yes, you can do with any niche with this. Okay, and you can skip App Store approvals. You can instantly publish on iOS and Android, and you can create as many as apps as you want from scratch or from existing web pages you wish. And there are no monthly fees, this is just one time fees, and there are very supportive 24/7 support. And see, you can access in the inbuilt web page builder to explore your traffic and avoid paying the huge amounts of money to the freelancer. See how much they charge for app developing: $230, $345, $700, $2,500. Here on Upwork, $500, $500, $500. So this is very in demand. Okay, I hope this is the editor. So after creating, the editor will appear. You can edit anything here. You can edit anything here just by clicking. You can change any image, you can change any letter. See, this is drag and drop builder. Anything you can change, anything, any button, any picture, everything you can change with your mouse, cause this is drag and drop builder. You can add images, anything you want. This is just template. So see, this is the mobile version, this is the tablet version, this is the tablet version of this app, and this is the mobile version of this app. See, this is the mobile, and you can edit anything. Okay, I am not editing anything, I am showing you as example. So this is absolutely gorgeous template, and you can make gorgeous and stunning apps, unlimited stunning apps instantly with the help of this template. So this is very fascinating. See, and you can edit anything, picture, name, everything, just drag and drop. So see how stunning and gorgeous type of app you can create with just a click by selecting these stunning templates. And this is the PC version. So this is all about, and you can view your apps here. This is not mobile, so you cannot view the mobile face. This is just will be appear the PC options, but the mobile view will be this, and you can use as it the mobile on your mobile. See, this has been created. So this is all about. Now go to the dashboard. The app has been created. See, we have created this. It has been appear, and you can edit anytime this, preview and delete all the app you create here. So this is all about how you can create an app very easily, very easily. And then you can also build website with the by connecting domain with these templates, and you can view apps and websites here. The previous apps of your, and you can send notification on your website. Just title and enter the push notification messages and send. And here is the tutorials. I recommend you to see the tutorial. This is the overview of how it works, then how to create an app, then push notifications, custom domain ad. So these are the tutorial. I must recommend you to see the tutorial. And there are some cool bonuses of vendor semi exclusive bonuses. See, you can select up to 5 bonuses to use, and it will access inside the members area after you purchase. So this one is photo editing service website and order management system, and then selling services. I hope you need this, cause using this, see how you can make money using this. The most important part I have told you earlier, that how you can make huge profits with the help of Appify software. See here, this is the result of app development for app development, and under this app development category you are seeing these gigs of Fiverr. See, the app developer Android iPhone mobile app, he is charging $230, and he will do iOS app development and design and charging $345, and he is charging $700 for designing and develop responsive mobile Android app. See, and this is the basic price only. There are standard and premium price also. And see the demand, he has got already 1700 reviews. So just imagine how many times he has completed his offers. And see, he has already 68 orders in queue. So this is very high demanding. See, his premium price is $3000, and this is very chargeable, worthy, and very in demand service on any freelancing site, Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, freelancing.com, anywhere. See, he has also 22 orders in queue, and he has got $117, and he charges for basic price is $700 for this to develop and design responsive mobile and Android and iOS app. See, and he is charging for high quality iOS and Android mobile app, and he also has 128 reviews. So he has also delivered his service many times, and he is charging $2500 as basic price. The standard price is this $5000, and premium is nearly $10000. So you can estimate what is the demand of app development on Fiverr. And see, you can see also on Upwork. See, the mobile app development $500, mobile app development Android iOS $500, $500, $600. So this is very in demand. So you can make money on Fiverr, Upwork, or any freelancing site using this Appify software, cause you can create, edit, build unlimited apps with very easy, without knowing any coding and developing skills, with the help of this Appify software. So this is very worthy software if you want to make money as a freelancer on Fiverr. As app developer, you can act as a app development of iOS and Android app developer on Fiverr and Upwork to make money using this simple Appify software, as you can create unlimited amount of apps using their 500 plus stunning templates. Just drag and drop and build your app and offer your service here. And you can also make money. You can also make money by the ad revenue from Google and Apple, just by publishing your created app on iOS and App Store. So you can get the app revenue, and you don't need any approval. See, you don't need any approval. for Android and iOS. You can instantly publish there, and there is no limit of number of web pages or apps you can create. And this is very cloud based. There is nothing to download or install. So this is the bonuses I am talking about. So this semi exclusive bonus is very needy, cause see, this bonus is selling services. As you are going to sell service, if you want to do it yourself, then this will very helpful selling services, cause it helps you to sell download, sell files, sell services on your own website. Okay, don't need Fiverr or Upwork, you can do it yourself. And this is the freelancer software, I highly recommend it. And you get it is as bonus, you will get it as bonus from vendor. And this is Twitter traffic software, you can sell your services from Twitter, you can get followers by this. And this is video watermark software, image hosting software, and thumbnail creator. And you can get up to 5 bonuses to use. Okay, from 7 you will get 5 bonuses. This is vendor special bonus, and this will access available in the members area. And these are the general bonuses from the vendor, and you will get as many as you want. So see the bonuses, there are lots of bonuses here, lots of bonuses you will get on the members area. And this is my exclusive bonuses, that is, this is worth over $33,000 in real world value. This is most of the software, YouTube Velocity. This is set and forget free bad traffic from Google and YouTube just in 3 minutes. This is Meeb, and this is Sheena. This is free bad traffic getting software. And this is Zenobia. This is also awesome. This is Cleopatra. This is a very fantastic software for LinkedIn traffic, and LinkedIn traffic is very bad traffic for freelancers to sell their services. Then the golden stash, TweetX, another Twitter software. This is forget about broke, Nova. You will get also the autos with these bonuses, Nova. And lazy traffic is Sniper, List Lariat, Arial Assassin, Midas Stars, Traffic Underdog, 6-figure secrets, Traffic Booster, Affiliate Takeoff, the Super Shakedown. All are very awesome bonuses. Profit Scope, Octagon. There are lots of huge bonuses over $33,000. So when you purchase through my special link, I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my special link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically. So check it out. And this is Appify, so you know how to create apps, how to make money on Fiverr, Upwork, or any freelancing site, and you know how to create publish your apps on iOS and Android store, as you can make money with their revenue share also. So this is, and you know the bonuses you will get. I have put the link in my description, you can check it out from there. So this is all about of Appify review. So my final opinion is, this is must recommended, because this is absolutely genius software. You can create unlimited apps from these stunning templates and publish on iOS and Android store, and make money using Fiverr, Upwork, and any freelancing site. So this is very awesome. And you know the mobile app industry has been active for a decade from now. Already it's running, and it's generating billions of dollars in revenue for Apple, Google, and different thousands of mobile app developers. And Appify allows you to tap into this billion-dollar industry without any coding and developing hassles. So this is a opportunity, big opportunity to grab this Appify software. And today you get a chance to do exactly without any special skills. So I suggest to get Appify at this further discounted price, because this is early bird price, at one time price. So go for this. I hope this review video will help you to make your purchase decision. And don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses of $33,000 and these bonuses. And if you get benefited from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So this is for today. See you soon.